Mabuhay and welcome to a product unboxing video. Up until this point, we've only really had this to defend us against virus and diseases and whatnot. But today we're going to be taking a look at a product that should get rid of this, at least inside your car. This is the Blaupunkt Air Purifier, and we're gonna look and see if it's worth your money. This is the Blaupunkt Air Purifier and Filter, and this is something you essentially put in your car to help you dispel any unwanted viruses and other germs and odors that could be floating around your car. And what it's got actually is it's got three filters. You've got a pre-filter, an HEPA filter, and an activated carbon filter. These filters essentially are a step in itself to removing such viruses or bacteria. And what's good about it is it actually comes in a really small package, which we'll be looking at more later. And this one, actually, this particular box comes with everything you might need, including two filters already. So you don't need to buy another one in case the first one runs out. Now, let's take a good look at it, shall we? Okay, now let's take a look and see what's inside the box. As you can see, it's very neatly packed so that the product doesn't get jarred inside. You've got this kind of like a calling card for any inquiries you have against, the product, and that's always good. You've got this information manual that teaches you the different parts of the product as well as how to operate it, which of course is very essential. You've got this power supply cable that you plug onto your car to make sure that the product is working, of course. Over here is the extra filter. It just adds as an extra filter inside the product. You'll see later that there's already one that they put inside. Well, there you go. All right. And finally, last but not the least, the most important thing is the product itself. It's actually quite hefty, if you ask. It's heavy, it feels very durable. And you've got the controls over here. And at the bottom, as you can see, other information about the product. Actually, the bottom part is where you open it up and you can pull out the filter. In fact, this product's also got a tray wherein you can put any other aromas and smells that you'd want it to emit so that your car smells better inside. That's pretty much the product. There it is. So if you're a germaphobe or you generally suffer and experience from allergies with anything pertaining to the air, this is the product for you. In fact, Blaupunkt claims that it has a 99.7% sterilization efficiency, which of course brings us to the most important question. How much does this cost? This whole thing costs 5,650 Philippine pesos, which at first, it sounds steep. But consider it a small price to pay for the peace of mind the next time someone coughs, sneezes, or even farts in your vehicle. So if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel below. And if you want to know anything and everything automotive locally and globally, please don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. This has been Pablo Salapantan of AutoIndustriya. Paalam!